Hello guys, today I will show you how to delete your American Airlines account. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to the American Airlines application. After opening the application, make sure you're logged in using your user credentials. After you're logged in, you will see this page. Here, you're going to simply scroll up and you will see these options. From these options, simply click on the one that says General Information. After you click on General Information, it will take you to this page. Now on this page, you'll have to just click on the Delete AAdvantage account. Next, you'll have to click on the Email AAdvantage customer service and follow the instructions they will provide. After you follow their instructions, you would have successfully deleted your AAdvantage account. So that's the simple way to delete your American Airlines account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.